So a problem that I have on my house is I get this algae growth on the siding. And I'm going to show you how to remove this algae growth without a pressure washer. It only takes about 5 minutes. So follow along real quick and we'll clean off the side of the house. So the ingredients we're going to use in our hose sprayer is Pool Shock. You can buy this at Home Depot for like $4. And Dawn dishwashing detergent. And mix it with a little bit of water. And then spray it on with the garden hose. Remember that algae growth is the same kind of algae that gets into the swimming pool. And so when you treat it with chlorine, it kills the algae and washes it off. So that's the theory here. Working as well as it should. So this is the result of the siding being washed. The green algae has been bleached off. Yeah, so it worked out pretty good. Whole lot better than getting up there and struggling to pressure wash it off. So give it a try. Be careful because chlorine bleach is some really potent stuff. Remember, that's how all the people in World War I got gassed. It was with chlorine gas. So don't breathe it, don't inhale it, use a mask, and be safe. Good luck.